Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by approaching the in-game computer and aligning with an interaction range. Press the prompt key or click to open its UI. Make sure you have permission. Some servers lock devices to owners or VIPs. Once the interface appears, scan the layout. Files, apps, and input fields are usually labeled. You'll want to note where the terminal, save, and exit buttons live before typing. This prevents accidental data loss and speeds up the rest of the process. Now interact with the apps. Open the terminal or any available programs and follow prompts. You type commands or text directly, press enter to run commands, and observe the output panel for success or errors. If the computer supports files, use the editor to create or modify scripts, then use the save control. Many systems have auto-save, but manual saves prevent rollback. Make sure to test small changes first, so you can isolate errors without breaking complex setups. To finish, close open apps and use logout or shutdown controls so the game records your state. Abrupt exits can corrupt progress. If the UI freezes, first try reopening the computer interface. If that fails, rejoin the server to reset your session. When things go wrong repeatedly, document the exact steps that caused the issue and report them to the server admin so they can fix scripts or permissions. This helps you and others avoid the same problem next time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.